Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shikha Sambarkar and today our topic is Computer Network Part 17. Under this there is a subtopic Types of Networks. Yes, our today's topic is Types of Network. This video is helpful for class 12 CBSE students, those who have opted computer science and informatics practices as an optional subject, and other students also can watch the video, those who are interested in this computer network field. So let's start our topic, types of networks. Here you can see two images are given. In the first image types of computer networks, four types are given here: LAN, PAN, MAN and WAN. Actually these are the basic types of computer network, or we can say main types of computer network. And in the second image you can see there are some other kinds of types are given, like CAN, MAN, WAN, WLAN, LAN. These all are also type of networks, but the main types are only LAN, PAN, MAN and WAN. So here you can see in the second image LAN, local area network, WLAN, wireless local area network, WAN, wide area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, CAN, campus area network. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the main types of networks only, and that are LAN, PAN, MAN and WAN. So let's start. Here you can see four images. Four images are given here. First is local area network, LAN. You can see in the ring way, in the circle, there are four PCs are connected, and that is local area network. Second image you can see MAN, metropolitan area network. Here you can see one school LAN, hospital LAN, college LAN, factory LAN. We can say there are four different buildings are given, and under that LANs are established, and these four LANs are connected together within a city. Within a city can be 40 or 50 kilometers range can be there. So this kind of LAN, it is MAN, metropolitan. Metropolitan means within a city. LAN it is within a building or within a range of 1 or 2 kilometer. So that is LAN. And the third image WAN. You can see the third image is WAN. Here you can see LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN N, MAN 1, MAN 2, MAN N. It means we can say different LANs and different MANs are connected together. Here LANs and MANs are connected together. So these kind of connection is creating wide area network. Wide area network. And the fourth one image is here PAN network, personal area network. Personal area network, suppose you can see here some devices are connected together, and the range is within 10 meters. Suppose you have your mobile phone and you are connecting that mobile phone with your laptop. It means within your room, within a range of 10 meters. So you can say this is the PAN network, personal area network. So these four images I have included here. Now we will talk about this one by one. First we will see here some points are given related to types of network. The first point is here. First point is a computer network means a group of networked computers. As we know, I have discussed about the topic network in the computer network part 1. You can watch that video. A computer network means a group of networked computers, that is computers that are linked by means of a communication system. As we know, computers that are linked by a means of communication system. So this is we can say a computer network. Second point, a network can mean a small group of linked computers to a chain of a few hundred computers of different types. for example PCs, minis, mainframes, etc., spread around the world. Thus, networks vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. Mostly computers are classified on the basis of geographical spread, and on this basis there can be four types of networks. So these four types of networks, as we have seen the images of these networks in the previous slide. First one is local area network, LANs. Second is metropolitan area network, MANs. Third is wide area network, WANs. Fourth is personal area network, PAN. First we will see here local area network points. Local area networks, there are some points are given. First we will discuss this. First point is small computer networks that are confined to a localized area. For example, an office, a building or a factory are known as LANs. Second point, the key purpose of a LAN is to serve its users in resource sharing. Resource sharing means we can say if resource means like a print, if in a LAN one printer is there, so all the systems can share that one particular printer. So the key purpose of a LAN is to serve its users in resource sharing. Third point is the hardware as well as software resources are shared through LANs. Fourth point, for instance, is LAN users can share data, information, programs, printer, hard disk, modem, etc. Here you can see some images related to local area networks. In the first image, there are some PCs are connected together in a star way, or we can say star topology. In the second in the second image, you can see some systems are connected together in a ring way, or we can say ring topology. And in the third image also, some systems are connected together in a star way, in star pattern. So these are the images of local area networks. Now there are some other points are here related to local area network. First is, in a typical LAN configuration, one computer is designated as the file server. It stores all of the software that controls the network as well as the software that can be shared by the computers attached to the network. Second point, the computers connected to the file server are called workstations. As we know that if a computer system or if a device is connected in a network, if a separate device is connected in a network, then at that time it is called workstation or node. Third point, the workstations can be less powerful than the file server and they may have additional software on their hard drives. Next point, on most LANs, cables are used to connect the network interface cards in each computer. Now, here the second type is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Here you can see two images are given. Here you can see some LANs are connected together within a city. It means it's a kind of MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Here some points are given. First one is metropolitan area networks are the networks spread over a city. Second point, for example, cable TV networks that are spread over a city can be termed as metropolitan area networks. The purpose of a MAN is also the sharing of hardware and software resources among its users. Now, third type is wide area network, WAN. Wide area network, generally internet, it is called wide area network. The networks spread across countries are known as WANs. A wide area network is a group of computers that are separated by large distances and tied together. It can even be a group of LANs that are spread across several locations and connected together to look like one big LAN. The LANs link computers to facilitate fast and efficient exchange of information at lesser cost and higher speeds. Computers connected to a wide area network are often connected through public networks, such as the telephone system. Sometimes they can be connected through leased lines or satellites. The largest WAN in the existence is the Internet. Here you can see two images of wide area network, as we have discussed about this in the previous slide. Different LANs are connected together and creating one big wide area network. Now the next type is personal area network. Personal area network PAN. A personal area network is the interconnection of information technology devices within the range of an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. For example, a person traveling with a laptop, a personal digital assistant (PDA) and a portable printer could interconnect them without having to plug anything in, using some form of wireless technology such as Wi-Fi. Typically, this kind of personal area network could also be interconnected without wires to the internet or other networks. We can use PAN networks to transfer files including email and calendar appointments, digital photos and music, etc. from our portable devices such as phones and tablets to PC and vice versa. So these are the points. Here you can see two images are given showing the concept of personal area network. Here laptop or desktop are connected with mobile PDA printer. So within the range of 10 meters, if devices are connected, then we can say it is creating personal area. We can say it's a PAN, personal area network. Now, difference between LAN and WAN. If we see, there are actually two main types of networks, LAN and WAN. LAN and WAN. LAN, local area network, and WAN is wide area network. So there is difference. First point is, in case of LAN, diameter of not more than a few kilometers. As we know, within 1 or 2 kilometers it is the range. And WAN span entire countries. There is no range. And the second point of LAN is a total data rate of at least several Mbps. And in case of WAN, data rate less than 1 Mbps. Third point, complete ownership by a single organization. And in case of WAN, owned by multiple organizations. And the next point, fourth point, LAN. In case of LAN, it's here very low error rates because it's a secure network. LAN, local area network, it's a secure network. But in case of WAN, it is comparatively higher error rates. So these are the points you can see here. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel presented by Shikha Samvarkar. Thank you.